We're going to cut it to the size they can consume it.
Thank you.
And we're going to even go far in bringing it in forms of entertainment, in forms of dance, in forms of comedy, in forms of any process that our people will understand.
Thank you.
So now, there's this other work.
Yes, this man, James Hutton, James Africanus Hutton, he's an Igbo man.
Wow.
100%
Igbo man.
Yes. And he's there in his book.
Okay. Yes.
This book was published by Hutton, 1865. Wow. Listen. In this book, he spelled Igbo I-G-B-O in English. Igbo.
Igbo.
There was no Igbo orthography at the time.